Hey guys, this is Joseph from BlackboxMyCar and welcome to our first dashcam unboxing video of 2020. In front of me is the latest 4K dashcam from Korea. No, it's not a Thinkware, nor is it a BlackVue either. It's the newest IROAD X10. We're going to take a look at this dashcam and hopefully give you an idea of what this dashcam is all about if you're considering a 4K dashcam. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is the retail box experience, and this is exactly what you're going to get if you buy an IROAD X10. And here's the IROAD X10, and this is the front-facing camera. It's an 8-megapixel CMOS sensor camera. This is what gives you the 4K UHD recording. You notice how it sports a slightly different design than the X9. The X10 has somewhat of a wedge design, like the Thinkware Q800 Pro. The top of the IROAD X10 has 4 slots that slide onto the mounting plate, which allows for easy installation and removal of the camera. The mounting plate is securely held to the windshield by a 3M adhesive strip, and the dashcam locks onto the mounting plate with a secure, wiggle-free connection. Also on the front camera, you will find the speaker, memory card slot, Wi-Fi, and power buttons, in addition to the Wi-Fi dongle slot and the GPS and OBD scanner ports. The camera lens is on the left side of the device, engineered to sit very close to the windshield to reduce distortion and glare. The lens housing is rotatable to accommodate nearly any windshield angle and vehicle design. The IROAD X10 is a 2-channel dashcam system, which means it also comes with a rear-facing camera. This is a 2-megapixel CMOS sensor camera, and it gives you full HD recording. In other words, with the IROAD X10, you're getting 4K front and full HD rear, just like the BlackVue DR900S 2CH or the VIOFO A129 Pro Dual. The IROAD X10 gives you a wider field of view. To be exact, it's 165 degrees from the front camera and 145 degrees from the rear camera. That's a lot. So the rest of the contents of the box is pretty straightforward. The fuse cable is what you'll be using to establish a power supply for your dashcam. It's kind of like the hardwiring kit for the Thinkware dashcams. For all the tools you need to properly hardwire your dashcam into your vehicle, we'd recommend purchasing the essential BlackboxMyCar install package. And if you're not comfortable doing the hardwiring setup, you can opt for an OBD2 cable. The OBD2 cable is an optional add-on that offers a much simpler power setup for your IROAD X10. Simply hook up the dashcam to your car's OBD port. The Wi-Fi dongle is what allows you to communicate with the dashcam using your smartphone. The Wi-Fi dongle goes into this slot on the front camera unit. And now all you need is a free IROAD mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Once you've connected your smartphone to the dashcam, you can manage all settings such as resolution, sensor, time, sound, cutoff voltage, ADAS, and just much more. The IROAD X10 comes with a stock 32GB microSD card, but it will support up to 256, in case you want to use a larger capacity memory card, which we always recommend. Synced with Google Maps, the external GPS antenna keeps track of your vehicle's physical location, as well as driving speed while you're on the road. With the weather getting warmer now, many of you might be wondering how good is the IROAD X10's heat resistance. IROAD's dashcams are known to be very heat resistant, and many IROAD users live in hot and humid climates such as Singapore and other Asian countries. The X10 can withstand a humidity index of 95%. The X10 is built to endure high and low temperatures. In the event that the in-cabin temperature falls outside the operating temperature range of 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit, the X10 will automatically shut off to protect damage to the dashcam and to save data on the SD card. In terms of parking mode capabilities, the X10 offers time-lapse recording with motion and impact detection. The X10's time-lapse supports continuous recording at 1 frame per second and is optimized for efficient memory usage. You can get up to 16 hours of time-lapse parking mode on a 32GB SD card. Think how much more you can get with a larger size card. If you enable both time-lapse and motion and impact detection, The X10 will automatically start an event recording at 10 frames per second when motion or impact is detected. Just with a 32 gig SD card, it'll give you about 11 hours of parking mode recording on a 50/50 time lapse with motion detection setting. And like all other IROAD dash cams, footage files are saved in the proprietary JDR format. The JDR format does not require regular formatting, and the automatic reboot functions guarantees the performance of the dash cam and the SD card. However, if you want to use a video editing software to edit the footage, you will first need to use IROAD's PC viewer to convert the footage files to other file formats, such as AVI. And there you have it, our first look at the IROAD X10 4K UHD 2-channel dashcam. Stay tuned for our in-depth review next week as we dive into each feature and function and show you how the X10 compares to the other 4K dashcams on the market. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, sound off in the comments below.